to Two Awesome Dads Adventures. My name is Jeff, and in this episode, I want to show you some of the parts that we're going to install on the 2019 R1250GS. The first one we've decided to start with is the headlight guard. Now, I can tell you from experience, it's well worth the money. Behind me, you'll see the orange 2009 1200, and it has Touratech's headlight guard, and it's pitted and scored and scratched. It's been worth its money because if that weren't there, that would have translated to damage to the actual headlight lens. And as many of you know, that's really expensive to replace. So this really is worth the money to invest in. So that's why with the new 1250, wanted to do the same thing. So went to the Touratech USA in Seattle and picked up the headlight guard for the 1250. So follow along as we install this part on the bike. All right, so now we're going to put the actual headlight guard on the bike. It requires us to do some assembly, and we've got 4 points to connect it to, and this allows it for that quick release so you can clean it. So we'll start off with a bolt, washer, and you'll notice I haven't removed the protective coating from the entire headlight guard. I've left it on because when I'm assembling things, might drop it or scratch it, this still continues to protect it. So I'm just taking it off the area that I'm actually working on. Now the other piece is this black item with like a brass fitting that will screw on, but you'll notice it only goes so far because inside it has 2 grooves, requiring you to do a little bit more than just finger tight to get it going. So I'm going to take my 11mm wrench, and I'm just going to slowly hold the wrench, and using my 1/4-inch drive, I'm going to tighten it up. Bit of resistance, but it's going in there. This just means it's not coming off anytime soon. There we go. Almost there. Again, we just want it firmly on. We don't need to over tighten it. There we go. Firmly on. And then I'm going to do the same on these 2, and then we're going to show you actually popping it on. One suggestion I would have is, if you can, getting one of these magnetic dishes. Really handy for when you're taking apart the bike and when you're reassembling. Nice to have it in one spot, and it doesn't bounce all over the floor and spend the rest of the day searching for the parts you were trying to put on. Next, we're going to take a Torx T30 and remove 1 bolt here and the matching bolt on the other side. We're going to take that out. Now, in the instructions, it was very clear that we're going to reuse this bolt. So we want to keep this handy for the assembly of the brackets for the headlight guard. Okay, now we're going to start assembling the bracket to the bike. Now it comes with 2 parts, and one of them looks like an insert. It's flat, has an edge, and it fits into the top of the first 2 screws came out of. So you'll see now there's 1 on each one. And now we're going to take the bracket, it slips in here, like that. I'll take the screw with the washer, and do it finger tight. There we go. Just finger tight. Just make sure that we've got everything lined up. And then we're going to get the screw from here. I'm going to line it up for the bolt and the bracket on this side. There we got the bracket again. And we have the screw up here. So we're just going to insert it. And just, again, just finger tight. It'll make it a lot easier to align the original bolt back behind here. Okay, so now we've got the 4 attachments on the actual headlight guard, and it's a simple step of lining up the 4 points and push it in, and there you go. You've got your guard. You will notice a bit of a gap in here, but that's how it's designed. It's got a bit of a curve to it, so that's how you can put it on. And the beauty of it is, when it comes time to take it off, you can simply pop it off, and there you go to clean it. I know some of you may be concerned that it might be stolen, but as I mentioned earlier, I have it on my 2009. I've traveled a lot of places. Some areas a little sketchier than others. Never had a concern. I think for most part, most people don't even know it could be removed. So that's the beauty of it. Easy for you. Put it on, take it off for cleaning and maintenance. So there it is, your Touratech headlight guard for the BMW R1250GS. So we're going to put more parts in this beautiful bike. Stay tuned. So like, subscribe, and watch as we build this bike into even better of a bike. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.